Hi everyone, thanks for coming to my channel. I'm posting this after Christmas. I've just been so busy with everything, and then I got really sick. As you can hear by my voice, I'm still not all the way better. I caught I caught that flu that's going around, and I missed work a whole week last week, but I'm starting to feel a little better. I wanted to share this adorable swap with you. This was before Christmas swap, and it was Christmas tags that we had to make, and it was hosted by Hey It's Ro, and this is what Ro made to give to us participants to put our tags in to ship them. Isn't this adorable? Let me lift this up a little bit. So she's made these 2 boxes, and then this is how she's decorated the front. She's made a paper bow, and she always sews everything. She's amazing. And then she's got this little tag under here. Look at that. Look at how layered that is, you guys. Isn't that adorable? It is so stinking cute. She's just the queen of layering. And then she's got this ribbon here, and then some flowers and a little peppermint and a little gingy and a snowflake. And then she's hooked the 2 bags together. And then on the top here, look, she's made a Christmas list, and then she's attached it to the bag and then scrolled it around and put it in the other bag. I tell her all the time in her posts, or when I comment on her videos, I say all the time, I wish I had your creative brain. She's absolutely amazing. So I wanted to show you that before I took everything out. Okay, so, and some of these tags, unfortunately, might not say who they're from. I hope they do, because I like to give credit where it's due. But look how cute that was packaged. Oh good, this is Crafty Kimchi. Isn't that adorable? Let me scoot this down a little bit. Okay. So cute. Look at this felt stocking she's put on there, and she's sewed it. And then fa la 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 with some layers and a snowflake and some gemmies. That is absolutely adorable. Okay, move this out of the way here. I put this white paper here because this is glass, and I didn't want you to get a big glare. Okay, this one is in one of these bags. I'll just cut this. I hope you all had a great Christmas and a good New Year. I did. I had a good one. My boys came over with their girlfriends on Christmas Eve, and I made some snacks, and then we opened presents because they were going to dinner with their dad. So I had to do my thing before they went with their dad. Look how cute this is. Let's see who this is from. Bits and Pieces 91. And I will link everyone in my description box so you can go to their channels and their Instagrams and show them some love. One of the requirements was that we had to do a lot of sewing. So as you can see, there is a lot of sewing on this one. There was on the other one, the one I just showed too. But look how cute. Little shaker window. And then she's layered it up. Isn't that adorable? Look at this material. So cute. This is so fun. I'll be saving all these because they're too cute to give away next year. I'll use them. I'll probably just display them in my craft room. Another one from Bits and Pieces 91. Isn't that adorable? Look, she's got little charms here. And it's layered up as well. And look how she's put this ribbon through there. That's clever. So this is like a banner piece. Oh my gosh, that is so clever. So cute. And then this joy is actually a shaker. You can see through the windows, you can see sequins. Wow. And then a little gemmy, a little sticker here, a button sticker, and then some those little gemmies. So cute. Absolutely adorable. These ladies are all so creative. I see what they give, and then I look at mine and I think, Look at this cute bow. I want to save that. Isn't that cute? Fa la la, and little Christmas tree paper clip. And look at this Santa bag. That is darling. Let's see. And my car's in the shop, so I have to get an Uber to go to work in a half hour. So I thought, well, while I'm waiting for my Uber to get here, I'll just hurry and get some videos. Isn't that Santa bag so cute? And then look at these mini icon stickers. Those are adorable. I can't wait to use those next year. And we have to open this. This is adorable. And I don't know who this is from, you guys. Somebody was really good to me. So look at this cute little, here, we'll just take the whole thing out. Look how, maybe this will say, no. Cute little charm. A little muffin pan, a rolling pin with material that's sewed, or I mean paper that's sewed wrapped around it, a candy cane, and a little star cookie cutter. That is absolutely adorable. I can put that on my planner next year. All right, I won't take the time to put that in the bag. And then a candy cane and these darling puffy stickers from Hobby Lobby, and I don't have any of these, so I'm so happy to receive these. Those are so cute. Okay, and then look at this one. It's a snowflake. Oh my gosh, you guys, wait till you see all the sewing that went into this. Absolutely amazing. Look at this entire snowflake, every single bit. Okay, this is June Cry 53, or no, June Cries 315, and that's Junior's Wifey 174 on Instagram. Look at this. She has sewn every single part of that snowflake with bright pink thread. And then there's some trees that she's sewed. There's some layering underneath. And then these cute gingies, and she's added a bow and a pom-pom. She's sewed around the peace, love, and joy, added some bells. And you can hang it on your tree or a package. Isn't that absolutely adorable? See, I tell you, these ladies, I wish I had their brains. I just wish I did. So cute. Okay, I'm cutting this one open. Excuse my nose from running. I have to keep sniffing. Okay, and then there's this one. Oh, look how cute. Okay, I'm going to sneeze. Hold on a minute. Excuse me. Okay, this says gifts with beads. Isn't that cute? And then these presents, they're all sewed. And then those cute little tiny bows, and it's layered. That is adorable. This is Carrie. And on Instagram, she's Crafty Carrie 64. I like how she's added that little poinsettia sticker. That is so cute, Carrie. What a cute idea. That is adorable. And I don't have any Kleenexes in here. I'll grab my little cloth. Okay, so cute. Now I'm getting into the second bag. And this is Michelle. She's Four Eyes Crafter. I've heard of all of these ladies because they all just do amazing work. I've seen their work. Okay, and this one, that's cute. I like what she's put on here. And then some little charms and stuff. And then this tree has vellum sewn on it with little stars inside. Isn't that so cute? And a little candy cane, a car, peace on earth, a snowflake, a banner. That is darling. Thank you, Michelle. I love that. And then this is just so fun, you guys, because I have not looked at these. I'm as surprised as you are. I'm seeing these as you are seeing them because I didn't want to open it until I did the video. Okay, this is Four Eyes Crafter, Michelle again. Another adorable one. I love the trims that she's used. And what a clever idea. She's got one of those little garment pins, and she's got a little tiny bell and a star and a snowflake. Here's a snowflake here. It's a shaker. And then Happy Holidays and a candy cane. And I like how she's put the pom-pom trim. so cute. That is adorable, Michelle. Okay, and then this is Miss Catitude on Instagram. Cute. That's a cute name. Catitude. That's so cute. Okay, and then this one, this is adorable as well. She's got some of that tulle with little snow, fake snow on it, and then a cute bow, a snowflake, mittens. Look at the tree. It's got little tiny dots all over it that she's put on. And then here's an ornament. She painted a star, and then ho, ho, ho. So, so adorable. See why I don't want to give these away? I want to keep them. Maybe I could put them on my craft tree next year in my craft room. That would be cute. And then this one again is from Miss Catitude. It looks like she only has Instagram, but I'll check to make sure. And if she does have YouTube, I'll add that as well. This one is adorable too. So cute. She's added some plastic here, some acetate. Oh, I see what she's done. She's photocopied. Well, no, she didn't photocopy it. Oh, yeah, I think she... Well, what she did is, looks like she put acetate on the tag with some little sequins, and then maybe ran it through the laminator. That is a cute idea. And then look how she's decorated with all these cute little painted dots. That is adorable. I feel like my nose is running faster than I can keep up. I went through a whole big, huge box of Kleenex last Tuesday. I opened the box on Tuesday, and by Sunday it was all gone. So ask me if I'm tired of blowing my nose. Oh, that's cute too. Okay, this is really cute. Tammy Burr. And she's got Instagram and YouTube. So like I said, I'll link everybody. Okay. And this is adorable. She's got a paper ruffle there that she's sewed. And then a rosette to make it stand up. Cute flowers. That's adorable. A doily behind. And Mary that she's die cut. That is so cute. I love that, Tammy. Thank you. Oh, I feel like my nose is running, but it might just be tickling. And then this is another one from Tammy. So cute. So if you have to make some tags next year for Christmas, maybe you'll remember to come and watch my video and get some ideas. Look at how cute this one is. It's a shaker, and she's taken that fake Christmas tree. I don't know what you call it, you guys. Anyway, they come in strips, and you can use them to put on things, or you can wrap them around your garland to hold your garden onto your stairwell. Anyway, she's got this cute little wreath, and Mary again, with it. She's die cut, and then cute little sequins. Isn't that adorable? And the acetate has black dots. That is so cute. I love that. Okay, oh, we got one more here. All right. We got two of each from two tags from several of the crafters. Okay, and this one is Crafty Carrie 64. And look how cute. I love how this Christmas tree sticker matches the paper for you. And she's got it popped up with some foam tape. The bottom is popped up as well, and it's all sewn. Darling. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching those. I enjoyed seeing them along with you. So thanks so much for watching, and please come back and have a great day. Bye for now.